Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we discuss about a very important topic for train. This is very important friends for exam point of view because this question is repeated in previous year. So let's start now friends. For train. For train is derived from formula translating system and it is a general purpose programming language. It can be used for numeric and scientific computing. Fortran was developed by IBM in 1950s for scientific and engineering application. It supports. Friends, basically this is a programming language. Fortran is a programming language, friends. It supports, let's know. First point, friends. Numerical analysis and scientific computation. And then second, structured programming, third, array programming, and four, modulator programming, five, Jimmy programming, and then six, high performance computing, supercomputer. And then 7 points, friends, computer reasonable degree of portability between computer system. And now friends, Fortran was created by a team led by John Abacus at IBM in 1957. Initially, the name was written in all capital, but current standard and implementations required only the first letter to be capital. It stands for formula translator for formula train transfer for S letters. Now we discuss about important usage. ये number friends. Long history and extensive library. The development of Fortran programming leads to well-stated and optimized library for various scientific and mathematical classes. And B number, portability. Modern Fortran programming aims good portability across different computer architecture. C number, involving language. Fortran has evolved through several standards. For example, Fortran 77, Fortran 90, Fortran 95, Fortran 2003, Fortran 2008 in incorporating modern concepts. Now we know friends, discuss basic structure of Fortran program. A simple Fortran program follows the following structure. Fortran program, Fortran name, declaration of variables, implicit none, real variable 1, variable 2, integer counter. This is basically computer programming language friends. Now executable statements. Variable 1 is equal to 2.5, variable 2 is equal to 3.7, counter is equal to 0. Print star, the sum is variable 1 plus variable 2. Do while counter 5. Print star counter. Counter is equal to counter plus 1. Int do contents optional subprogram functions or subroutines. This is the computer programming friends. Subroutine. My subroutine input value real intent in input value print star value received input value in subroutine my subroutine end program name. Now explanation of basic structure. Program name. It must marks the beginning of the main program unit. This is the main program of unit friends. Implicit none. This statement is highly recommended as is required explicit declaration of all variable helping to prevent error caused by implicit type. Now, declaration section. Here declare the data type of our variables real for floating point numbers, integers for whole numbers, character for strings, logical for boolean value. This is the computer language frame. This is used to separate the type from the variable names. Executable statement. This section contains the instruction that the program will execute. Next friend, print. Print a star, a simple statement for outputting values to the console. The star indicate list directed input output where the compiler determines the formatting. Do while end do, a loop construct that continue executing the enclosed statement as long as the specified condition contains. This optional section precedes any subroutine function defined within the main program. Now friends, subroutine. My subroutine and subroutine. My subroutine define a subroutine which is a self-content block of code that can be called from other part of the program. Now friends, we know intent in specifies that this input value is an input argument and its value can't be changed within the subroutine. End program name h marks the end of the main program unit. Thus, Fortran is a powerful programming language that plays a crucial role in the advancement of scientific and engineering computing. Its strength in numerical computation, array processing, and performance coupled with rich and extensive library ensures it's even when new language have been developed. New language have been developed. Thank you friends. We meet in next video. Please support me and please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please support me friends and please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is important topics friends. This question is repeated previous year. Very. Thank you friends. Please support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.